Right now I'm in Jamaica right now, and I'm here trying to buy some callaloo. This is the original online shopping, right? This is online shopping. As you can see, I'm by the river, and across from the river is a nice garden of freshly grown callaloo. So I'm about to go online shopping. This is what the original idea of online shopping come from, right here in Jamaica at this spot. So you will see the transaction taking place right now online. All right, see the line go across the river, and the man over there, so right now I prepare my callaloo, and you will see the callaloo shopping online going. You wanna see the online shopping? So as you can see, my freshly grown callaloo is coming online. So Amazon, watch out. This is where it all started, online. See, my callaloo is coming to me, freshly cut callaloo is coming to me online. This is Jamaica. Oh, we do online shopping. Alright, so that's my callaloo just come to me, and I'm giving the money to put. That's my my callaloo just coming, freshly cut callaloo come to me, and as you can see, the money is placed in the bag, and the money going across back to the other side. This is how we do it in a Jamaica. Online shopping, alright? Amazon, this is where it's all started. Online shopping, straight Jamaica style. Big up.